A powerful storm brought chaos to the Mani region of Lakonia, Greece, as torrential rain, intense lightning, and sudden flash floods swept through several communities. What began as a thunderstorm quickly turned into a dangerous emergency, with floodwaters racing through villages and causing significant damage. The worst conditions were reported in Oitylo, Oitylo, Kokkala, Alypa, Porto Kagio, and Exo. Residents watched roads disappear beneath fast-moving water as heavy rain overwhelmed the area. Homes, vehicles, and local infrastructure were damaged while emergency crews rushed to respond. In Kokkala, residents reported extraordinary rainfall in a very short period. Water poured through the village, turning streets into powerful streams. Similar scenes unfolded in Porto Kagio and other parts of Mani, where floodwaters surged through neighborhoods and made travel extremely dangerous. Oitylo was among the hardest-hit locations. Residents described moments of fear as rising water threatened homes and safety. Some said the destruction was among the worst they had seen in years. Several drivers were caught in hazardous conditions as floodwaters crossed roads and created strong currents. Emergency services received numerous calls for assistance. An experienced firefighter described the event as one of the most dangerous weather incidents he had witnessed during his 35-year career. According to reports, conditions became especially severe from Tainaro and Porto Kagio to Oitylo and Karavostasi, where flooding cut access to some areas. The storm also produced intense lightning activity. Authorities reported that one person was injured after being struck by lightning during the severe weather outbreak.